Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can switch iPhone themes using focus modes. So if you go to settings and go to the I'll just do it from here. Go to focus mode here, and I'm just going to select, for instance, this one, and I'm going to select the three dots, go to settings, and here, as you can see, there's going to be a customized screen. Select choose and select which one you want from, like your lock screen. These are just like the past lock screens that I have. I'm just going to select this one, press done, and you can also choose the home screen as well. Then, for instance, you're on the Taylor Swift mode, you can choose a different home screen for that, maybe this one, and press done. And that's how you can basically switch iPhone themes using focus modes. You can adjust it a little bit more, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.